What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chanel, also known as Curlcodeblack, and today I'm going to be talking about some of my favorite products this winter that I've been loving for my natural hair. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below what is your favorite products that you've been using this winter. Without further ado, let's get into it. Guys, one thing I want to say about the products that I use for my hair works very well for me. I've done a lot of trial and error over the years to figure out what ingredients my hair likes, what types of products my hair likes. I'm going to be sharing products based on what works for me. Just a little background with my hair type. My hair type is low porosity. I have low porosity hair, 4 strands, high density. Also, my hair would be considered mainly type 4A curls. So that's basically just a little bit about my hair. So wash day, I like to keep my wash day simple. So for shampoo, I like moisturizing shampoos. I don't really use clarifying shampoos that much. I don't use that much product to begin with, so I can get away with a moisturizing shampoo. So I like to use the Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura, I think it's Mafura oil, correct me if I'm wrong, Mafura oil shampoo. I love that shampoo. It's moisturizing, it gets the job done, it gets my hair clean without stripping my hair. Been loving that shampoo since I've started using it, and yeah, I don't see giving that shampoo up anytime soon. Another shampoo that I've also been loving that is new to me, that I've basically started using back in October, I think it's like September, October last year. It's the Curlcare's shampoo, Curlcare Curl Essence line. Coconut, I believe it's coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil shampoo. That shampoo, if you're looking for like a really moisturizing shampoo, like that makes your hair super soft, that you can detangle your hair with, that doesn't strip your hair but still gets your hair clean, highly recommend that shampoo. Those are basically the 2 shampoos that I use. I mainly use the Shea Moisture's one, but I've used the Curlcare one twice now, and I love both of those shampoos. So for deep conditioners, I skipped the conditioner part because honestly, I used to do shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, but I skipped the conditioner part because it just doesn't really make sense for me. So I just jumped from shampoo to deep conditioner. And the deep conditioner that I've been using, again, past 4 years, loving it, Shea Moisture's Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Deep Conditioner. Out of all the deep conditioners that I've tried, which isn't many, but all the deep conditioners that I've tried to date, that one right there, unmatched. Period. I love that deep conditioner, and it just makes my hair so soft and manageable, defines my curls. Oh, just absolutely love that deep conditioner. So next, for my moisturizing regimen, so basically I always start off with water. Obviously, that is my leave-in or liquid. I do the LCO method, so for my leave-in / liquid, I always use water, specifically distilled water, because water is very, very soft on the hair and very gentle on the hair. And I've noticed that when I switched over to using distilled water to spray my hair when I'm moisturizing it, opposed from using tap water, I've seen lots of benefits with my hair. Hair softer, retains moisture better. So yeah, love distilled water. And what I do with the distilled water, I like to mix in essential oils: rosemary essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and tea tree essential oil. Sometimes I also add in cedarwood, but that's if I have it or not. My hair always smells so fresh. Adding essential oils into the water keeps my scalp fresh as well. Absolutely love it. Like even right now, I sprayed my hair last night, and as you guys can see, how cute is this look? How cute. Okay, get into this. If you want to see the tutorial, I have posted a video on my Instagram page on how I did this cute lock knots bob inspired look on my mini twist. Guys, when I say the style is bomb.com, honey, come on now, get into this. Yeah, anyways, I'm getting like sidetracked. Sometimes I use the cocoa water by Curlcare. It's like a moisturizing leave-in spray that you can use. I like that. I use that from time to time, mostly like if I'm on the go and I need a little spritz, you know, I just use that and it gets the job done, keeps my hair super soft. Love it. My leave-in conditioner this winter specifically, I've been using the Curlsmith oil and cream leave-in conditioner. It's super thick. Like when I say it's thick, I have so much hair and it's very coarse. It works perfectly for my hair and I love it. Usually I do use the 4S olive oil leave-in conditioner. It's like that, the green bottle, specifically the castor oil one. Love that one for my hair as well in the winter. Super moisturizing, absolutely love it. Been loving it for time. But yeah, that's another one that I usually use, but I haven't been using it lately. Another leave-in that I've been absolutely loving lately is the Curlcodeblack's moisturizing leave-in. That's leave-in. Let me tell you guys something. When I first used that leave-in, I'm like, yo, this is probably the most moisturizing leave-in conditioner that I've ever used. And like, it's not a thick consistency. It's a thinner consistency. It's not like super thick, what I'm usually used to, but the moisturization that I get from that leave-in, I'm telling you, if you guys haven't tried that line, Curl Essence, Curlcodeblack, get into it because it's honestly amazing, especially if you're needing like a super deep moisture boost. That's the line that you want. Those are the leave-in conditioners that I use. Again, guys, my regimen is super simple. Lastly is the oil that I use, my sealant, and basically I just use Jamaican black castor oil from Sunny Isle. Absolutely love that black castor oil. Best black castor oil on the market, hands down. And I also mix in rosemary, peppermint, and tea tree oil into that castor oil as well. I put about 20 drops each oil into the castor oil bottle. That's the same thing I do with the my spray bottle as well. I put 20 drops of each essential oil. And yeah, that castor oil, I do scalp massages with it. I seal my hair with it. I use it on my brows. Best oil, period. That's basically all the products that I use in my hair on a regular basis. Sometimes I do tend to try some products, new products, to test out how I like them, and there's some products that I do like but I don't have in my regular routine. The products that I mentioned in this video is basically what I've been using regularly that I absolutely adore. But there are a lot of products that I do use that, not regularly, but I do use that I absolutely love as well. If you guys want me to make a video on basically all the products that I have in my stash that I use and what I use them for, definitely comment down below and let me know if you want to see that as well. I do use different products for different things. It just depends what I'm doing, but for just regular schmegular degular, you know, moisturizing and washing, basically those are the products that I use. This is the end of the video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.